New just listed home, 14131 89th Avenue, Seminole, Florida, by McKenna Hale from the Military Veteran Team. This 2-bedroom, 1-bath home offers 1,062 square feet of charming living space in a cozy, well-managed area. Inside, the open atmosphere features engineered hardwood floors and natural light. Seamlessly connected, the Eden kitchen flows into the dining space for easy hosting. The layout includes a primary bedroom with a walk-in closet and a second bedroom with built-in storage. These are served by one updated bathroom. The exterior lifestyle is the highlight, featuring a private backyard and a covered garage. Schedule your showing today.
Buy or sell with us and move for free in Pinellas County. Google Military Veteran Realtor Team and see why we're #1 on Google.